So I shop for a living. So here's my hot take on Black Friday, and specifically on Design Broker. And we specialize in brokering deals on designer furniture, Pottery Barn, Four Hands, dining room sets, sofas, lighting. But I want to give you a take in general for all of Black Friday. So, insider opinion, I think Black Friday is a fantastic opportunity for stocking stuffers, practical items, and electronics and appliances. Now, for other designer luxury goods, you can actually get these same prices at different other sale events, or like my shopping membership actually allows my members to get these type of prices year round, so they don't ever have to worry about sales. So I wouldn't stress about seeing something pop up that you're like, oh, I've got to completely shift my entire list because this amazing Black Friday deal. If it's something designer related, you can probably get that. I would focus more on the essentials, the stocking stuffers, the electronics, like I mentioned. I'm going to put all these in my Amazon storefront for the great Amazon deals, and for the designer brands, all of those brands are listed on my website for you guys to check out. So let me know if you have any questions.